Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I define my curls. If you're wondering why I sound like this, it's because this is the third time I'm filming this video. I don't know what was going on with my hair, and the curls just, no, it just wasn't coming out good. So I decided I'm going to do the video for the third time. I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss. I'm going to be using the I'm going to be using the I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. This product is quite pricey, and persons with my hair texture, type 4 hair, skeptical to try it. So because of the price, they don't want to buy it, and then it doesn't work for our hair type. I'm gonna use it as my, not really as my styler, but as a moisturizer. And I believe that if a product moisturizes the hair, then it's good enough. Y'all, my mic wasn't on this whole time. You know what? It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. I do my hair in sections, and since my hair is damp and there's no product in it, I'm going to be applying a hair butter. It has the ingredients are shea butter, safflower oil, rosemary oil, and lavender oil. And I'm going to be applying this to seal in the moisture while I put my hair in sections. So what I do is part this section in two, and then I'm going to apply the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. Like that much. And I'm going to ensure I really work it in from roots to tips. Before I bought this product, I think I watched about like 100 videos on people using this product, and everybody said it smells nice. I go crazy over the smell, like everybody. But to me, it smells like Bon Sweetie. Look how much gel I have leave. Can you guys see that? It basically done. And I did not realize, because I don't know, I just did not realize. So guys, change of plans. The gel that I'm gonna be using along with the Eco Styler gel is Wetline Extreme Professional. So there's no specific amount that you should apply. It just depends on your hair and how much gel your hair needs. Just to get it wet enough. Smooth the gel down my strands, and sometimes it won't separate on its own, so I will like hold it like this, and then I'll take some hair out and do it myself so that it clumps together. The smaller your sections, the more defined your hair will be. And I add some of the Twist and Shout cream. Then when that's done, we add our styler. And I try to ensure I get it on my roots as well, because we don't want puffy roots. The more water you have in your hair, the easier it is for you to run your fingers through it and define your curls. This is the last section, thank you Jesus. This part of my hair is the easiest to define. However, it's not the most favorite part of my hair because it's so frizzy and it just always look different. Like, twist outs look different, everything look different on this section of my hair. Alright guys, here we have it. This is the final look. I blow dried it on high heat, low heat and cool. What I realized like over the years with blow drying my hair, if you use heat consistently, like if you just keep it on high heat and blow dry your hair till it dries, it's gonna fry your hair. Well, that's what happened with me. It fries my hair and my hair ends up feeling crispy and crunchy. If you blow dry it on high heat until it's like damp or probably about 70% dry and then you finish off with cool, then your hair will be left feeling soft, and that's what I did. So it's a thumbs up for the curls blueberry bliss twist and shout cream. I love how my hair turned out. It feels soft. There's no crunch. There's hold, but there's no crunch. It doesn't feel dry. If you think your hair looks like mine or is similar to mine, you can recommend products that you're not sure about and I will purchase it. I will purchase it and test it on my hair. If it doesn't work, like I can do a giveaway or I can probably sell it to somebody with a different hair type who likes it, or I can give it to my brother. But I must find something to do with it. I don't think it would be a complete waste. So like I said, anything at all, like if it's a moisturizer, a deep conditioner, anything at all, you can recommend it and I will try it for my hair so that you can know if you can try it for your hair. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!